Welcome to this set of short videos to help you get started with Hysolate. In this video, we'll discuss the Hysolate display modes. So you have installed Hysolate on your computer. There are now two environments. There is the original or primary environment, and then there's the Hysolate environment. If you are using just a single display on your computer, then you have no choice. You can show only one environment on your display at any time. But if you have multiple displays, then you can choose how to display the environments. The first option is called the All Displays mode. This mode displays only one environment at a time, either the primary environment or the Hysolate environment. With this mode, the environment that you select is shown on all connected displays. To use this mode, right-click the Hysolate tray icon and then select Show Workspace On, and then select All Displays. The second option is the Side-by-Side mode. This mode displays both the primary environment and the Hysolate environment simultaneously. Each environment is shown on a separate display. To use the Side-by-Side display mode, first right-click the Hysolate tray icon and then select Show Workspace On, and then select One Display. You can use the same right-click menu to select the specific display on which to show Hysolate. We hope that this lets you display Hysolate in the way that helps you the most. Thanks for watching. Please contact us if you have any questions or feedback.